Law enforcement stormed a flooring manufacturer in Cartersville, Georgia, in connection with what the FBI described as a, quote, active ongoing labor trafficking investigation. According to a news release, agents from the FBI, the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, and other law enforcement partners entered the Well-Made Industries building to execute federal search warrants, alleging the company of using fraud and coercion to persuade Chinese nationals and other immigrants to work. The agents also carried out search warrants at multiple residences in the area. The Atlanta Journal-Constitution reported that ICE spokesperson Lindsey Williams said the operation targeted allegations of labor trafficking and financial crimes related to Well-Made's practices. Williams noted that the facility's owner was arrested on state charges. Fox 5 Atlanta identified the owner as Zhu Chen and reported that Jia Chen, who authorities said is Chen's nephew, was also arrested. Fox 5 cited an anonymous former company employee who described, quote, unsafe conditions, overcrowded housing, and a rotating shift system that transported workers between their homes and work. According to Well-Made's website, the 328,000 square foot Cartersville facility produces over 100,000 square feet of flooring annually. FBI Atlanta stated that it brought in a victim specialist and 20 linguists to assist the dozens of potential victims at the facility. The agency estimates that labor trafficking accounts for 6% of its human trafficking cases. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.